We are Team 26352 3D Print Waste Press. At RIT in the Shed, thousands of kilograms of PLA are used for 3D printing each year, and about 20% used is wasted as structure support or failed prints. This results in about 200 kilograms of 3D print waste that is thrown out each year. The goal of this project is to recycle it into a sheet 16th inch in thickness that can be used for routing and laser cutting.
A support piece would be first shredded, then granulated in a two-step process. To mold a plate's 16th inch thick, we add 160 grams of fine granulate, which is a little more than the mass required to fill the volume occupied by the finished plate.
Mold release must be applied to prevent sticking. Our heating elements are set to 482 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 250 degrees Celsius.
Our mold is inserted onto our heat bed and pneumatically pressed until it bottoms out on our 16th inch gauge plate to ensure our finished sheet has nominal thickness. After our press process is finished, the mold is ejected onto our water cooling plate. Heat is drawn away from the bottom of the mold to cool it down to a temperature below the glass transition range of PLA.
Our result is a 16th inch thick PLA sheet that can be laser cut for custom applications.
Thank you for all your support.